With the shortage of masks, people are using homemade masks but they are not effective. To find out what is the most effective material for homemade face masks, researcher at American Chemical Society says that combination of cotton with natural silk or chiffon can effectively filter out aerosol particles. SARS coronavirus 2 or coronavirus that causes COVID-19 is spread mainly through respiratory droplets when an infected person coughs, sneezes, speaks, or even breathes. These droplets can be of different types. Tiniest of particles, so-called aerosols, can pass through many cloth fibers. So Supratik Guha at the University of Chicago and colleagues wanted to study the ability of common fabrics, alone or in combination, to check how they filter out the aerosols that are similar in size to respiratory droplets. Aerosol mixing chamber was used to produce particles ranging from 10 nanometer to 6 micrometer in diameter. Using airflow similar to normal breathing rate, they blew the aerosol across various cloth samples and the team measured the number and size of particles in air before and after passing through the fabric. Layer of a tightly woven cotton sheet combined with 2 layers of polyester spandex chiffon filtered out the most aerosol particles around 80 to 99%. That performance is really impressive as it is comparable to the filtration of an N95 mask. The researchers said that tightly woven fabrics such as cotton can act as a mechanical barrier to particles, whereas fabrics that hold a static charge like certain type of chiffon and natural silk serve as an electrostatic barrier. Researchers also heavily emphasized the importance of a properly fitted mask.